How long do you cook frozen corn on the cob?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the simple yet essential process of cooking frozen corn on the cob. This guide will help you transform those icy kernels into a juicy, mouth-watering side dish in just a few easy steps. Remember, timing is crucial in achieving the desired results.
What's the ideal cooking time for frozen corn on the cob?
If you're cooking frozen corn on the cob in boiling water, the ideal time is about 5 to 8 minutes. However, the actual time can vary depending on the size of the corn, the amount of water used, and the heat of your stove. Therefore, it's important to keep an eye on the corn to avoid overcooking or undercooking.
How do you boil frozen corn on the cob?
Before we start boiling, it's important to note that you should not thaw the corn before cooking. Start by placing the corn in a large pot and cover it with water. Once the water starts boiling, you'll then cook the corn for the time we mentioned above, 5 to 8 minutes. After the corn is done cooking, use tongs to remove the corn from the boiling water. Be cautious here to avoid any burns from the hot water. Let the corn cool for a few minutes before serving. This is not only for handling purposes but also to let the corn absorb back some of its juices, leading to a juicier bite.
Any other methods for cooking frozen corn on the cob?
While boiling is a popular method, you can also cook your frozen corn in the microwave. This method is perfect for when you need to prepare a quick meal. To do this, wrap your corn in a damp paper towel and cook on high for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn the corn and cook for another 2 minutes. Let it cool for a few minutes before eating. You can also grill your frozen corn. Brush the corn with olive oil, wrap it in aluminum foil, and grill it for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Turn the corn occasionally to ensure even cooking. And that's it, folks. Now you know how to perfectly cook frozen corn on the cob, using either the boiling, microwaving, or grilling method. Remember, the key to the perfect corn on the cob lies in the timing and method of cooking. We hope this guide has been helpful and can't wait to hear about your delicious corn on the cob adventures. Happy cooking!